Yo, what's up, guys? To the subscribe David's game, and today we're gonna play. And I have a secret for you. So, subscribe for Theme Park Tycoon 2. I'm in trade down, or I pick that. Wow, ain't I good friend? I'm gonna. Where is it? Where's mine? Where's me? Oh, there it is. I'm doing mine. We're gonna go to Theme Park Tycoon 2 before it ends up. I'm gonna do it. Part 1 channel. A channel that's how to build Theme Park Tycoon 2 Part 1. Or now I transported so I picked that. Oh yes! Yeah! Great job. Yeah. So subscribe. So thank you for this. Thank you for. So this is my best helper for Eli's. And this man. Look at this man. This man is great. I like this man. Wow. This man is great. Or he's a forward. This man alright. Easy, medium, hard. Okay, even a lot few one rides, and then I build that one bus dance line. Oh, please. What? Make sure to stop. Say hi to the man. This man is great. And he's hi. Or that. What's up, dude? Oh, sorry. I'm making a channel. Sorry. For your mates. He wants to follow. He wants me to follow. He needs so many different parts. Let's go on a blue ride. A few rides. That's what we need. Oh, Eli's made it get started. That's great. He made it great. He made a great job of being She unlocked started before it went up. And this theme park also. Oh yes! I earned 1 star. My first star is complete. Or 4 is 2 stars. And I earned 2 rides. And 19 people. And I'm gonna make a 20. That's a great time. This bro, where did he go? I don't think so. We should go. Hey. For B, C, and D. And so she was the best people. Someone did that. Wow, that was great. This is a great job. All the anthems for games were their chance. Make sure the whole day I pay you to Oh look, there's my man. There's my bro. There's my bro. There's my bro. My bro, loving his builds. She has 2 rides. So she just building them up. He's building this ride. Above river like us. What's up, girl? Oh, yep. all phones are cool. All games, all my games, subscribe and give for 1 star. I earned a 1 star today. This one really. I so grateful. Uh-oh, watch out! Oh my gosh, there's someone's deleting it. Someone's deleting it. Oh gosh. Oh wait. Oh, someone did delete it. I guess we'll find something if I earned it. Oh gosh! I'm gonna something all games on plays in free time. And I'm gonna rest. Uh-oh, I'm gonna rest. And that's why I made set. Oh gosh. I gotta get earned, sir. I gotta get a first ride before we game for rest. Come explore with me. I'm there. So I did that. I'm a great person. All the things above the world. Video and I made it. Done. There. Gotcha. Yeah. Alright. Yes! Yes! Yes. Oh, I didn't get pass. I didn't got pass. Oh, there. I made it. Okay. We need to find something to let people feel it into it. Or you get support. I have a great game. This is my favorite game. Or if you subscribe in the different all channels, subscribe. Yeah. Or I gotta hurry up before the time's up. Maybe that. So, welcome to the channel. Above my theme park, or all the games. And mine are like oh gosh. Cactus. Uh-oh. So, last one. Kids, grown-ups. So, thank you for subscribing to the video. Please subscribe. Tap this button and tap that button. And please subscribe in David's game ever. Bye bye, guys. See ya soon.